Rajasthan, a land of Valor, where the soil breathes art, the winds hum with culture, and every gathering echoes tradition. In this rich tapestry, one sound has endured for centuries: the thunderous rhythm of the Nagara. And the artist who carried this majestic kettle drum from local ritual to the world stage is Nathulal Solanki of the Pushkar Nagara Gharana. Once central to temple rites, folk celebrations, and even the battlefield, the Nagara had begun to fade. Then a 9-year-old boy chose it as his destiny, backed by 13 generations, 54 years of discipline, and an unshakable resolve to revive and share its legacy with the world.
लड़ाई करते थे, युद्ध करते थे, तब इस तरह का नगाड़ा एक्साइज स्टेट उनको और एनर्जी के लिए उनको काम में लेते थे। उसके बाद में जो विजय होता वो महाराजा गाते बजाते अपने अपने घर पे वापस आता और पूरी कहानी लिखता कि आज मैंने इस तारीख को इस नगाड़े के द्वारा इस महाराजा पर विजय प्राप्त करी। तो उनको पता होता है कि मैंने कब विजय करी, कब हारा।
At a turning point in his life, Nathulal Solanki walked away from a secure police job, choosing instead the call of the Nagara, not as a profession, but as a heritage he was determined to carry forward for future generations. Now, the next generation has stepped forward to carry this rhythm into the future.
और मैंने जो सीखा मेरे पिताजी नाथूलाल जी सोलंकी से सीखा। पहले मैं स्कूल जाता था तो मैं रोज़ शाम को जब अपने स्कूल से जब फ्री होकर आता था तो यहाँ ही बैठता था उनके पास। तो यहाँ बैठ के देखता था कि पिताजी क्या कर रहे हैं, इतने लोग पिताजी के क्यों आकर्षित हो रहे हैं, क्या हो रहा है। तो मैं भी उनको देख देख के फिर मैं घर जाता था और ऐसे कोशिश करता था।
Since 1991, every evening at Pushkar's Gangaur Ghat, the sound of his Nagara has rolled across the lake. The meeting of water, faith, and rhythm creates a divine ambience that draws visitors from across India and the world.
तो नाथू जी हमारे रोज़ दौड़ में बजाते थे। धीरे धीरे फिर पेटक आने लग गए तो पेटक भी सीखने लग गए थे। फिर धीरे धीरे इनका ज़्यादा संगीत आगे चला तो संगीत चलते चलते इनके विदेशों तक भी धुनी हो गई।
Today, students from India and across the world learn the Nagara from Nathulal Solanki completely free of charge. They spend hours immersed in practice, chasing its rhythm and mastering its art. In doing so, he keeps both the tradition and its music alive for generations to come.
Here in Nagara spot, I just came on my second day just by hearing the Nagara playing, and I was like, okay, this is amazing. This can be like a new way for me to actually meditate and be with the land, with people, local people.
The first time I come here and I heard the Nagara and I like a lot.
From India's biggest music festivals to more than 55 countries, his performances brought the Nagara global acclaim and for the first time introduced it to the world as a solo lead instrument. His extraordinary contribution to music earned him numerous national and state honors. Today, his children and the generations to come proudly carry this vibrant tradition forward.
बहुत खुशी होती है, हम बहुत अच्छा फील करते हैं अभी कि इतना बड़ा नाम है हमारे दादू साहब का और हमारे दादू साहब बहुत वर्ल्ड के बेस्ट दादा हैं।
Nathulal Solanki's journey proves that a single rhythm can cross borders, generations, and time, turning tradition into legacy and legacy into a voice that echoes across the world.